Today we are going to talk about time signatures. The time signature is at the beginning of any piece of music, and it comes after the clef and after the key signature. And it usually has two numbers, the top number and the bottom number. So the top number can be anything. It can be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It can be any number, and it is the number of beats per measure. But the bottom number is very important, and you may have heard that the bottom number is the type of note that gets one beat, but I like to think of the bottom number as the value of the whole note. So this is going to be pretty limited. The whole note, let's make some columns. If I have a whole note that is equal to 4, then, and that's pretty common, then my half note is going to be half of that, which is 2. And then my quarter note is going to be half of that. Half of 2 is 1. 1/4 of 4 is 1. And then if I want to take it a step further to the eighth note, the eighth is half of the quarter. So now I can have my whole note be something different. It could be 2 beats. If my whole note is worth 2 beats, half of that is 1. Half of 1 is 1/2, and half of 1/2 is 1/4. And these are all the values of these notes. Now, what if we have the whole note, or the bottom number of the time signature, is an 8? Well, in that case, the half note will get 4 counts, a quarter note would get 2 counts, and then the eighth note would get 1 count. And that is a simple breakdown of how you can figure out the value of the whole note and your time signature.